Stories never told before. I'm sure everybody remembers Aankhein, the wacky comedy of 1993 that starred Govinda and Chunky Pandey. What nobody knows is that there was even more fun and comedy that happened off the screen before the film took off. One evening in early 1992, actor Govinda dropped in to meet producer Pailaj Nehlani around 9:30 p.m. More than 3 hours later, Chunky Pandey also came to the producer's house and the three of them ended up chatting the whole night together. Until then, Govinda and Chunky were not friends. In fact, there was intense rivalry, with Pailaj Nehlani as the only common link between them. In 1992, flush with the success of movies like Ilzam, Aag Hi Aag and Shola Aur Shabnam, Pailaj was a very big name with immense clout in the Hindi film industry. He had successfully launched Govinda with Ilzam, which was a box office hit in 1986. Remember the chartbuster, I Am a Street Dancer, with which Govinda made his entry into Hindi films? Govinda had barely tasted stardom when Pailaj gave Chunky Pandey, another new boy, a grand debut with Aag Hi Aag in 1987. Thus the rivalry between the two young heroes. But when they met at Pailaj's house that night, they hit it off so well that they were keen to do a film together. Before leaving Pailaj's house as late as 5 a.m. in the morning, they both wanted the producer to make a film with them. That night or early morning, Pailaj thought of his two crazy discoveries and went to sleep with a smile on his face and an idea brewing in his mind. He thought that a comedy with Govinda and Chunky as two nalayaks who want to do something memorable would be an apt subject to bring them together. Pailaj quickly called director David Dhawan and writers Anees Bazmi and Praful Parekh, who'd just delivered the super hit Shola Aur Shabnam for him. He wanted them to make a wacky comedy with a chimpanzee adding to the chaos. To Pailaj's utter surprise, David, Anees and Praful, all three of them rejected his idea. Not one to give up, Pailaj got another writer, Anwar Khan, who'd worked in films like Ram Lakhan, to come on board. Anwar was excited with the story idea and he worked on a few versions. But Pailaj found Anwar's dialogues not crackling the way he wanted. They didn't have the flavor he had in mind. 3 to 4 months elapsed when one day Govinda again fetched up at Pailaj's house, this time with his diary at 7 o'clock in the morning. He showed his diary to Pailaj and said, "Dekho, khali hai. It's empty. Bhar do na, fill it up with whatever dates you want." In an instant, Pailaj made a decision. He asked costume designer Madhu to look at the latest fashions and make 4 to 5 pairs of really crazy outfits for Govinda and Chunky. They had to dress absolutely alike, like two chumps and a chimp. Pailaj then instructed his production team to book whichever bungalow was available for shooting 2 days later. He was told that Ghaffar Bhai Nadiadwala's bungalow was available, so he told them, book it and book all the equipment also from Ghaffar Bhai. In 2 days, we're going there to perform the Muhurat of our new film. Pailaj was thus all set for the Muhurat without a director or writer on board. He invited a whole lot of people to his Muhurat, including David Dhawan and Anees Bazmi and friends like Mahesh Bhatt. He gave a scene to Govinda and Chunky and asked them to rehearse it. He told Chunky, "Watch Govinda. Whatever he does, just replicate it. I want both of you to be Xeroxes of each other." Chunky just get into Govinda's system and emerge like an other version of Govinda. At the Muhurat on 7th July 1992, a befuddled David Dhawan and Anees Bazmi asked Pailaj, "What are you making?" He replied, "I'm making the story that both of you rejected." They asked him curiously, "Who's doing it for you?" Pailaj had no clue, but he looked at Mahesh Bhatt, who was just another guest there, and said with a straight face, "Mahesh Bhatt is making it." At this, David protested, "I've just directed a super hit Shola Aur Shabnam for you. How can you replace me?" Pailaj shrugged, "You've become such a busy man. What can I do?" David wouldn't hear of it. "Nothing doing. I'm doing this film," he said, "come what may." Stifling his laughter, Pehlaj told him, Govinda and Chunky are already rehearsing a scene. Now place the camera as you want and take the Muhurat shot. What'll you do with Mahesh Bhatt? David asked him. I'll ask him to give the Muhurat clap, Pehlaj cheerfully answered him. Mahesh Bhatt, of course, had no idea that his name was being bandied around in this merry manner. But a chastised David Dhawan happily posed for photographs as the director of the film with Anees Bazmi as the writer. Within 15 days, David and Anees were ready and the filming of Aankhein began in right earnest.
हमें से बात करो, हम कल के कल तुम्हारा पैसा तुम्हारे मुंह पे फेंक देंगे।
इसका मतलब है हाथ में देकर जाएंगे। लेकिन आज ये गाड़ी वो
देखो, हम लोग जोर से बोलेंगे ना तो तुम्हारी इज्जत खराब हो जाएगी, इसलिए हमें शराफत से गाड़ी ले जाने दो, समझे?
Aankhein went on to become one of David Dhawan's biggest hits and Pehlaj was on top of the world as Aankhein was declared the highest grossing Indian film of 1993.
मेरे भाई तू मुझे समझने की कोशिश कर। अगर तू यहाँ से निकल गया ना तो जब तक मैं तेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं बताऊंगा मुझे भी नहीं मार सकते। नहीं कुत्तों के हाथ लग गए तो एक कुत्ते में कुत्ते की मौत मार लगे। नहीं बुड्ढू तू बोलो तुझा और देख बाबूजी को बताना पुलिस की मदद लेना मेरी फिक्र मत करना मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा।
This is Bharti Pradhan with stories never told before. Very soon I'll come to you with another one.